In this video, we're going to unbox a Takagi T-Kjr Tankless water heater. First thing you need to do is just cut the straps on the top. So you open the box here, and right on top, we've got the manual. These Takagi T-Kjr Juniors also come with the remote, which is something that is sold separately with some of the models. Take the styrofoam out. And the great thing about these T-Kjr Juniors is that you don't need to take them out of the box. You can just lift the box right up and over, and there's your water heater. The unit itself is actually very light, as you can see. And it comes with wall mounting brackets to save space in your basement or garage or wherever you place it. These T-Kjr Junior units are perfect for the small, cozy home, and they are an excellent, cost-effective alternative to the traditional tank water heaters.